Today I will be reviewing one of my favorite things ever, and that is highlight. This is a highlighter from Couture. This is a mini version. I got this in a set from Sephora full of highlighters. I will leave that video so you can see all the highlighters that came in that set. This is in the shade Illuminati, and this is cruelty-free diamond glow powder, iridescent silver, and champagne. It does come, I believe, in 12 shades. They have a really high rating. This small one is a 0.04 ounce, but if you were to get the regular size, you would get 0.16 ounces for $27. I definitely want to try more shades, but let's try this on. I don't think I have tried this on, maybe just swatched. Packaging looks really nice. I'm really not a fan so much of like loose powders. We're going to try this. Loose powders can be very messy. So first, let's just do a swatch here. I will leave all the highlighters that I have reviewed at the end of this video if you love highlighters like me. So that is the swatch. Very pretty, right? I think the color is great. I don't think if you're very fair this is gonna be too dark. Not at all. Or if you're a darker skin tone that it's gonna be too like ashy. Not at all. I think this is actually a perfect shade. Just my opinion. See for yourself. Now it's time to apply. I've been dying to apply some highlight. See some glow. That's just from my Milani blush. But let's go ahead and try this on. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. What was that? First I was like, okay. Oh my god, it looks like nothing. And then I guess I turned the brush. Oh my lord. Speechless, right? Obsessed. Oh my lord. I want to look at it up close. See it like a gold. What is it saying here on the website? Iridescent silver and champagne. I definitely see the I guess champagne. Silver, I don't see. Where's the silver here? Maybe I'm just blind. Hello Glow. Suggest if Sephora still has it and you love highlighters, try to see if you can get the set. It brings, I believe, Fenty, Benefit, Artiste, maybe Milk makeup. Or if you just want to go straight for the full size and you like shimmer, you have to like shimmer, okay? This is not gonna look like a glow from within. This is like, yes, I'm wearing highlight. I know it and I love it. Some in the Cupid's bow. I think a little bit goes a long way. I think if you would buy the big size, it lasts you a really long time. Barely dipped into that highlighter and just look at that. Have you tried any of the other shades? Let me know if you have, which one is your favorite. I would love to like try more of these. Imagine in the inner corner too. Ooh, yes. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, if you're obsessed with highlighters like me. Get to subscribe, click the little notification bell. That way you will be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. I'm always doing tutorials, reviews, demos. I love drugstore and high-end. So if you're obsessed with makeup, then consider subscribing.